Thank you for listening to this presentation by the Canadian Hard of Hearing Association Edmonton branch on its hearing healthcare kits. Hearing loss is the third most prevalent age-related disability, only second to arthritis and hypertension suffered by adults over the age of 75. Our Canadian statistics say that there are over 3 million Canadians that have hearing-related disability. In Edmonton, that works out to more than 100,000 people with hearing loss. Hearing loss is more prevalent in men. Untreated hearing loss has been linked to dementia and other cognitive disorders. Your overall health and well-being is directly linked to your hearing health. So we want you to feel empowered while in the hospital so that you get the best care possible and know that these kits can help with that. Our recent hospital statistics say that 1 in 5 persons visit the ER every single year. An average stay in the hospital is actually 4.5 days, and there are more females than males that are in these hospitals. CHHA-Edmonton provides this hearing healthcare kit that comes in a clear plastic bag for you if you need them. Included in this kit is a tips brochure which gives you information before you go to the hospital, how to better prepare you so you know what to do and how to ask for what you need. Included also in this kit is a Face Me badge so people will communicate face-to-face with you that you could wear. Also, another form of letting people know you have hearing loss is this yellow sheet. It can be placed behind you on your bed, beside you on the bulletin board, or even on your door if you'd like, so that everyone who enters clearly understands you have some communication needs. There's also a green sheet included in the kit that you need to fill out before you go to the hospital, and it's important information that you need about your hearing aids or cochlear implant. Should something happen to those aids while you're in the hospital, this information is very important for a practitioner or audiologist to help replace it while you're there so that you have the best chance at hearing everything that's being shared with you. We also have these access stickers that are included in the kit. These stickers easily come off and can be put onto your chart, onto important information, papers that they may have, so that everyone that you're in contact with knows that you have hearing loss. We want people to communicate effectively with you while you're at the hospital, so we've included these tip sheets for them that you can pass out. They come in a smaller version or the large one that you can share with everyone who may come into your room, whether it be a volunteer, a doctor, a nurse, physiotherapist. Each one can have these tips so they know how to communicate effectively with you. Also included is a battery tester. We do know that sometimes your battery may die while you're needing important information. You want to just test it to make sure that you still have some life left in that battery. This is provided for you so you can easily do that. It's really important that you do bring extra batteries with you as well so that you never run out. Should everything fail and you're still having some communication challenges, we have provided paper and a pen so that that doctor or nurse can write down the information very clearly for you on that. Lastly, the two most important pieces to this kit is this little bag that you can take with you should you require some tests, x-rays. You want to wear your hearing aid right up until that point so that you hear everything that's being said to you, and then remove it. Place this, it comes with a pin, on your gown, on the pillow, on the sheet, but keep that with you if you can so that less chance of your hearing aid being lost. At nighttime, when you do have to remove your hearing aid, we provide these little containers that you can put your hearing aid into. It's clearly marked that it's accessible, that that's your hearing aid in there. And whether you have one or two, and place to put your name so they know it's yours. We don't want your hearing aid getting lost. We want it in a safe place. If you would like one of these kits, we'd be happy to provide one for you. Please feel free to contact me, Cindy Gordon, at 780-428-6624, or email me at cindy@chha.ca. CHHA-ED.com. Thank you.